Well, Pakistan's brutality has been exposed once again. About 15 members of Hindu families were tortured, robbed and assaulted in Sindh in Pakistan. The tortured residents sought refuge in Muzaffarnagar, where they were given help by local residents. Now, despite possessing valid passports, the residents were asked to pay a bribe of 20,000 rupees to be asked to cross the border. Amir now joining us with more details on this. Yes, Amir, what we're given to understand is that these people were assaulted and tortured in Sindh in Pakistan. Give us more details, please.
Well, yes, all of these people, about 15 in numbers, had actually migrated from Pakistan towards India, and they stayed in Delhi for about a month. But now they've been given a place to stay in the Katoli area of Muzaffarnagar, and people, in fact, there have actually welcomed them back. And they actually have narrated their tale of woes and the kind of torture that they had to go through while they were in the Sindh province of Pakistan. They said that clearly they were treated like second-class citizens, and that they were not even allowed to, carry on their businesses. Neither were they allowed to, have any employment of their own. Also, that there were a number of crimes and other things that they were, forcefully involved into, and they were, in fact, they were not even given their rights as citizens there in Pakistan. So clearly, it comes across as clear violation of rights of its citizens, because they said they were not even allowed to pray, they were not allowed to propagate their culture. So things in Pakistan actually seem to be quite in contrast with what Pakistan talks about India. So all of these migrants have now been, given land there to stay in. Also, the people there, including a local BJP MLA, has also promised that they'll be provided employment of their own, and that all kinds of help will be given by local people to all of these, members from the Hindu community who've migrated from Pakistan towards India.
All right. Thank you very much, Amir, for joining us on this. Let's listen in fact, to that reaction that we got earlier of one of these migrants who have now taken refuge in India.
पाकिस्तान में क्या प्रॉब्लम थी जो आपको हिंदुस्तान में आना पड़ा?
पाकिस्तान में बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम थी।
किस तरह की?
जैसे हमारे पास अपनी ज़मीन धरती थी, वो भी उन्होंने कब्जा कर लिया। जैसे घर मकान थे, वो भी कब्जा कर लिया।
गाय जो पालते हैं हम, तो गाय की तो सेवा करते ही है ना। वो गाय बस होती है तो 2 दांत की हो जाती है, तैयार हो जाती है। देख लें आस पास में, देख लेते हैं भाई, इसके पास खूबसूरत है गाय। आगे तो 4 जने घुस गए, ले गए, वही करती बस
काट दें।
हाँ, अगर थोड़ा कुछ है तो आग डाल ले।
But Prashant also joins me on the phone line right now. Prashant, when we spoke to these people, it's extremely clear that they were actually treated as second-rate citizens in Pakistan.
Well, absolutely. And as Amir was reporting, this clearly shows the kind of duplicity that Pakistan preaches and practices. It's clearly a case of what Pakistan preaches and what it actually practices. Now, these are the people who have been thrown out of their Sindh province. Now they are seeking refuge in Muzaffarnagar, and the people of Muzaffarnagar, including the local MLA and the local residents there, have taken them wholeheartedly.